Ever wondered how alligators survive freezing temperatures by literally freezing themselves? Well, it's a remarkable adaptation that showcases the resilience of these ancient predators. Alligators, these powerful creatures that have roamed the earth for millions of years, have adapted to a variety of environments, from the swamplands of the American South to the rivers of China. Their survival tactics are as diverse as their habitats, employing a range of techniques to thrive in their respective ecosystems. One of the most intriguing of these tactics is the icing response, a unique method used to survive in freezing temperatures. When the water starts to freeze around them, alligators allow their snouts to be encased in ice, leaving their nostrils exposed for breathing. This ingenious adaptation allows them to endure the harsh winter months in a state of brumation, a form of hibernation for cold-blooded animals. Now that we've sparked your curiosity, let's dive into more amazing facts about these fascinating creatures. Did you know alligators have been around longer than some dinosaurs? Yes, that's right. The alligator lineage has a rich and ancient history that dates back to the time of dinosaurs, over 200 million years ago. Over the millennia, these remarkable creatures have perfected the art of survival, outlasting several epochs and mass extinctions. How, you ask? Well, it all boils down to their evolutionary traits, which have been fine-tuned to ensure their survival. Their thick, armoured skin provides robust protection against predators, while their powerful jaws and sharp teeth make them formidable hunters. Furthermore, alligators are incredibly adaptable. They can dwell in various habitats, from freshwater lakes and slow-moving rivers to marshes and swamps. This adaptability has allowed them to thrive in environments ranging from the subtropical wetlands of the American Southeast to the bustling urban landscapes of Florida and Louisiana. Their survival skills are truly a testament to their resilience. What if I told you that an alligator's skin is so tough it can withstand a bullet? That's right, the skin of an alligator is not just for show. It's an elaborate armor, a living shield built cell by cell over time to provide the ultimate protection against threats. This formidable armor is constructed of bony plates called osteoderms, or scutes, which are embedded within the alligator's thick, rugged skin. These scutes are like tiny fortresses, armored with a layer of keratin, the same material that makes up our hair and nails. It's not just about being bulletproof. This tough skin also helps alligators regulate their body temperature and store fats that they can use for energy. It's a remarkable adaptation that has evolved over millions of years, making alligators one of nature's most enduring survivors. This tough skin has helped alligators survive in the harshest of conditions. Ever wondered what lurks beneath the calm surface of an alligator's bite? Well, let's dive into it. The immense power of an alligator's bite is something beyond human comprehension. It's an unseen and often underestimated force. An alligator's jaw is a marvel of evolution, capable of exerting a pressure of over 2,000 pounds per square inch. To put that into perspective, that's like having a small car clamped onto your arm. Now, compare this with a lion's bite, which clocks in at around 600 pounds per square inch, or a human's, which is a mere 130. It's not just about raw power, though. The alligator's bite is also incredibly fast, snapping shut in the blink of an eye. This combination of speed and power makes it one of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. The power behind an alligator's bite is truly awe-inspiring. Did you know alligators are surprisingly sophisticated communicators? That's right, these ancient beasts have a rich repertoire of signals and sounds to communicate with one another. Visual signals are a significant part of their communication, especially during the breeding season. Males, for instance, perform elaborate displays to attract females, including head slaps on the water surface and infrasonic vibrations that ripple the water around them. But it's not just about the visuals. Alligators have a range of vocalizations too. From growls and hisses to bellowing roars, each sound carries a distinct message. For instance, the deep and resonant bellow of a male alligator is a call to potential mates and a warning to rivals. Young alligators even start communicating while still in the egg, using high-pitched chirps to alert their mother when they're ready to hatch. These creatures are more complex than they appear on the surface. Ever wondered what alligators eat? Now, when you picture an alligator's meal, you might imagine a dramatic scene involving large, struggling prey. But in reality, an alligator's diet is surprisingly diverse, spanning from small fish to sizable mammals. Alligators are opportunistic feeders, meaning they eat whatever they can get their jaws around. Insects, snails, crabs, and a variety of fish make up a large chunk of an alligator's diet. As they grow larger, their menu expands to include turtles, birds, and even other alligators. The hunting techniques of alligators are just as fascinating. They are patient predators, lying still in the water until an unsuspecting prey comes close. Then, with a swift, sudden movement, they clamp their powerful jaws around their meal. Yet, despite this seemingly ruthless nature, alligators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance in their ecosystem. Their wide-ranging diet is another testament to their adaptability. Did you know female alligators are incredibly protective mothers? Yes, these fearsome creatures have a softer side that's often overlooked. When it comes to nesting, alligators exhibit fascinating behaviors. The female alligator meticulously constructs her nest from mud, sticks, and vegetation, creating a mound-like structure near the water's edge. This serves as the incubator for her eggs, the temperature of which will determine the sex of the hatchlings. Interestingly, warmer temperatures produce males, while cooler ones yield females. Once the eggs are laid, the mother turns into a vigilant guard. She'll fiercely protect her nest from predators, going to great lengths to ensure the survival of her young. After the eggs hatch, the mother carries her babies gently in her jaws to the water. She continues to watch over them for up to 2 years, teaching them vital survival skills. The motherly instincts of alligators are truly remarkable. Ever wondered how long it takes for an alligator to reach full size? Let's dive right into the growth rate of these fascinating reptiles. Alligators experience most of their growth within the first 10 years of their life, typically increasing in size by about a foot per year. However, their growth doesn't stop there. Although the rate slows down significantly after this point, alligators continue to grow throughout their entire life. Now, you might wonder what factors affect their size. Well, it largely depends on their environment and diet. Alligators living in warmer climates with abundant food sources tend to grow larger and faster than those in colder areas or places with scarce food. Interestingly, gender also plays a role. Male alligators generally grow to be larger than females, often reaching lengths of up to 15 feet, while females average around 9 feet. Their growth rate is another fascinating aspect of these creatures. Did you know alligators can live as long as humans? Yes, you heard that right. These magnificent creatures have an astonishingly long lifespan. On average, an alligator can live up to 50 to 70 years in the wild. This is comparable to the average human lifespan in many parts of the world. Now, if you're thinking this is impressive, let's put it into perspective. Compared to other reptiles, this is indeed a long time. For instance, the common lizard typically lives for about 10 years, while tortoises can live up to 100 years, putting alligators right in the middle. But what makes their long lifespan even more remarkable is their harsh living conditions. Surviving in the wild is no easy feat, what with the constant threat of predators, disease, and environmental conditions. Yet, these resilient creatures have evolved to live long and prosper. Their long lifespan is another testament to their incredible survival skills. Ever wondered what role alligators play in their ecosystem? These armored reptiles are not just apex predators, they are also ecosystem engineers. By hunting, alligators regulate prey populations, keeping a healthy balance in the food chain. They prevent a single species from dominating, which in turn maintains biodiversity. But their role goes beyond predation. Alligators also create gator holes, deep depressions in the wetlands. These holes retain water during dry seasons, providing a sanctuary for fish, insects, and other small creatures. This not only benefits the alligator, who gets easy access to food, but also supports other species that rely on these water sources. Furthermore, the nesting behavior of alligators contributes to the shaping of the wetlands. Their nests, built from vegetation, slowly decompose, adding rich organic matter back into the ecosystem and promoting plant growth. So from hunting and habitat creation to recycling nutrients, alligators are indeed vital players in their ecosystems. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it helps our channel grow and continue to create new and interesting content. We encourage you to express your thoughts on the video in the comments and share our content with others.